What's this in English? Look, listen and repeat. पहा, ऐका आणि माझ्या पाठोपाठ म्हणा. What's this? A bat. मुलांनो, प्रत्येक चित्र लक्षपूर्वक पहा आणि उत्तर द्या बरं. चला, चित्र पहिलं आपण बघूयात. What's this? A boy. What's this? A bag. What's this? A ball. आता दुसरं चित्र बघा बर का. What's this? A clock. What's this? A cock. What's this? A cat. What's this? A cap. आता तिसरं चित्र पहा. What's this? A tap. What's this? A toy. What's this? A top. What's this? A tank. आता चौथ्या चित्रात लक्षपूर्वक बघा बर का. What's this? A parrot. What's this? A pot. What's this? A pan. What's this? A pond. Now listen and repeat. ऐका आणि म्हणा. Cat, bat. Pop, top. Bank, tank. Clap, tap. Boy, toy. Ball, tall, call. काय आहे बरं हे? बरोबर, rhyming words. My body. Look at the picture, listen and say with me. चित्र पहा, ऐका, माझ्या बरोबर म्हणा. Hands. Feet. Arms. Legs. Head. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Face. Mouth. Teeth. Tongue. Now show me your hands. म्हणजेच आता मला तुझे हात दाखव. Listen and act. ऐका आणि कृती करा. Touch your head. Touch your ears. Touch your feet. Open your mouth. Shut your mouth.